Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 12. Get ready for the dictation. Start. There is also another point I would like to bring to the notice of the Honorable Minister, Sir. The Excise Inspectorate is not as effective as it should be. Stop. I am coming, sir, from an area where nearby there are a large number of oil mills which produce oil, particularly groundnut oil. Stop. Almost all these oil mills are allowed to suppress their production by 30 to 40%, and all the suppressed production is sold in black market. Stop. If they are brought to the regular production list and regular market and regular sales, the pressure on oil prices may not be that much as we are having today. Stop. Sir, I would urge upon the government to continue to be vigilant and take further necessary steps to hold the price line. Stop. Before concluding, sir, I would like to appeal to all my colleagues, particularly those in the opposition, not to support any action which disrupts production, leading to shortage and consequently further increase in price. Stop. Far from helping the government in bringing down the prices before the by-elections in the states for Lok Sabha, they were praying for increase in prices in the hope that this increase in prices will have an effect on the election results. Stop. The last by-elections were fought more on the basis of the prices than ruling, but in spite of the increase in prices, our party candidates were returned to power. Stop. This does not mean that the people are satisfied with the prices that were prevailing. Stop. But in spite of their difficulties and in spite of the higher prices, the people of this country believed our leader and our party. Stop. They also believed in our capacity to hold the price line. Stop. They also believed that this can be done and controlled only by the government led by the Prime Minister and by no other person. Stop. At the same time, I would like to give a word of caution to my own leaders. Stop. This comparison with the other countries does not satisfy anybody. Stop. We cannot be compared with the developed countries where the inflation is higher. Stop. There is no other country in the world which is having half of its population under the poverty line. Stop. Therefore, what is needed now is not statistical comparison but action, and nothing but action. Stop. Therefore, sir, the simple question of managing the economy is very important. Stop. The same thing has happened in the case of sugar. Stop. Even when the government had ample sugar stocks, they did not care to release the stocks to bring down the price when the sugar was selling at rupees 14 to rupees 16 per kg. Stop.